Hey, what is up, guys? It's your boy Chicken Tenders, and Jesus, I'm already fucking up. Hey, what is up, guys? It's your boy Chicken Tenders, and today is the start of a new series. Total Munching or Munching. Total Munching Tuesday. It's a day where we, as the guys, are going to watch me, Chicken Tenders, eat some food. Now, in this bag, this McDonald's bag that I got from DoorDash, of course, because I'm too lazy to go down the street and order some, I got some stuff. Okay, so first things first, they got me like 5 fries, so that's a no-brainer, especially on a large fry. They're okay. Not the best music, but they're still McDonald's fries. And now, the double quarter pounder. Yes, this is the meal, by the way. You guys, I am ripping the bag. Oh god, oh god. It's a disaster. Well, my drink is in here. I think I got a Sprite, and I forgot what I got. Did they not put a straw in here? Oh, they did. I was about to say, man. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I hope you guys can. I don't know if you guys can. And yes, my female subscribers, you guys can still be guys too. It doesn't really matter. We never know which gender is which nowadays. But still, everybody's the guys here. I'm opening up this double quarter pounder. Alright, let's see what we're dealing with. You see the onion, the pickle. Let's try this. I'm not bleeding, so I'm good. I bit my lip, if you guys didn't know. But the first bite is pretty good, you know? It's like a Five Guys burger, but Five Guys is more expensive. I'm gonna try to put some music in here for you guys, like some music to make it more interesting. Probably some Nintendo stuff. And I did forget my extension to my YouTube intro, so I'm gonna do it now. I'm gonna want you guys to grab a binder, grab a like button, or grab a binder flavored sauce. You dunk that like button in there, like you're dunking the like button, and let's do it. I don't know what that was. That was just, I didn't script that or anything. I don't know if you guys can even see me right now, because there's like bad lighting. You can see, like right here. Like right here. It cost me about $17. I could have just walked down the street and it would have been like $5 or $7 less. I don't know why I didn't do that. It'd be a good form of exercise. Let's try the wrapper. Interesting. Oh, but how's the food? The double quarter pounder is good. It's definitely a cheap version of the Five Guys burger. You got the patties. There was one time that I ordered from Five Guys, and I ordered their little cheeseburger, $6 freaking on the DoorDash app. It was literally a McDonald's patty, like not the quarter beef, but like the hamburger beef you see in all those things. It was one of those, just one of those. I couldn't believe it. I was going insane. Yeah, I was. Every Tuesday I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna try foods that I haven't tried before. And I'll rate them. We'll rate it from a 1 to 10 stars. Alright? 1 to 10. 1 to 10. 1 to 10? No? Alright. So the double quarter pounder, its price, it's definitely really high. But it's okay. I'll give it a 6. A 6 out of 10. Because this is a $7, $6 burger, so. Let's rate the wrapper. The wrapper that I ate and swallowed. I swallowed a part of it and swallowed the whole thing. Very blank flavored, but it was interesting, and that's what we're gonna like about this. So I rate it a 7 for 9.67 out of 10. Oh, dude, I got a onion on my table. I'm gonna eat that. I don't like onions, but I don't really care. I mean, it's not like I despise onions. Like, they're the most baddest thing in the world. Most baddest. Because I know if I don't add music to these videos, they're gonna be boring. And I, as NCT, don't want you guys to be bored. So I'll do my best. My absolute best. Did I drop a fry? I didn't. I'm good. To entertain you. Fries ratings. These particular fries, I rate them a 10 out of 10 if they were fresh, because I love McDonald's fries, so I'm all about them. But these fries, I mean, they're still warm, but they're not like the best quality at the moment. So I'm gonna say a 7 and a half. No, that's being too generous. 7.5 is too generous. 6.9 out of 10. Now the Sprite. Let me take another swig. You know, definitely not the best quality. 10 out of 10 automatically. So, I mean, yeah. Oh god. We're getting back down to the last of it. I still don't know if you guys can see me. Like my eyes, per se. I tried styling up my hay. Tried styling my hair with clay this morning. It did something, because it was all over the place this morning, but it didn't do enough. So that was the double quarter pounder. Now, I didn't die this time like I tried the Big Mac a year ago. I can't believe that I almost died a year ago. You know, the phone is ringing. Should I go answer it? I'll wait to receive a message on it. There wasn't a message. Crazy stuff in the world right now, guys. But what we all got to do is just stay strong. Staying strong, staying positive. If you stay negative during all this, you're going to fall into a deep depression you will never get out of. I guarantee that. I guarantee it. I got some salt on my table. Should I just brush it off? Some on my chair too. You know, take it from me, I'm a very positive human being. I let almost nothing drag me down. Except when, I don't want to talk about... Oh, moments on the fries. Yep, it's only in the bag. They gave me a bunch of ketchup in the bag. Should I rate a ketchup packet? Probably not. I mean, I want to eat everything that I get, right?